Okay, good. Then next, ma'am, what you need to do is take out the Word document. Take out the Word document. Right to the downside. Okay, good. So you can just put the 22nd point. 22nd point, that is electronic bank statement. Electronic bank statement. Interview process. Electronic bank statement interview process. Okay. When it comes to the electronic bank statement, what are all the interview questions that they will going to ask you? Okay, so basically they just go for the OT83 transaction code only, all of you, and at the same time how we are creating the symbols, how we are creating the rules, how we are creating the posting keys, how we are creating different types of methods, anything. Okay, so now what we need to do is, yeah, first point is check with check with OT83 transaction code. Check with OT83 transaction code. No, just give T code. That's it. Okay, so then next one, go to the OT83 transaction code now, SAP. Go to OT83 transaction code. If they ask you any configuration related electronic bank statement, okay, so you have to give the check code. So yeah, continue it. Okay, see all of you. Most important point is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 steps that we have. Okay, forever bank statements and all. Then next one, yeah, go to the system. Sorry, go to the Word document. Go to the Word document. Try to write down these things. Create account symbols. Then C point is create. Assign accounts to account symbols. Then D point is create keys for posting rules. Create keys for posting rules. See, all the points should be there in your mind. Okay, then only you can able to see the flow as well as whatever the questions that they're going to ask you. Definitely you will remember each and every point. Okay, so create keys for posting rules. Then next one is define posting rules. Define posting rules. Define posting rules. Then next one, so create transaction type. Create transaction type. Assign the next one, assign external transaction types to posting rules. Assign external transaction types to posting rules. Then next one is assign bank accounts to what is the last step? Assign bank accounts to last one. Assign bank accounts to transaction types. Assign bank accounts to go to the SAP system and drag it to the right side. Yes, assign bank accounts to transaction type. Okay, so assign bank accounts to transaction types. So when they ask you one question, okay, right, when it comes to the electronic bank statement process and all, so you just say like this. Okay, so that is very, very important. Then next one, what are all the points that we need to take care? Okay, so give the I point, ma'am. HI. Give some space between H and I. I point is, yeah. Yes. So try to check with external transaction types. Try to check with external transaction types. Transaction types. Yeah. So the here first point is no, just put first, give tab. No, just dot one dot. That's it. Go to the external transaction types, ma'am, that we have created. Go to the create transaction type. Go to the account symbol. Sorry, create transaction type. Go to the position and take out the transaction type. MAL2 underscore. Go to the position and take out the MAL2 underscore. Okay. Go to the position and give your MAL2 underscore EXL. Yeah, set that one and go to the assign external transaction types to posting rules. Assign external transaction types to posting rules. Okay. Now see all of you, interpretation algorithm is 060 document number search, 020 document reference. Okay, 021 only document numbers. Like this we have. Okay, you can able to take anything, okay, based on the interpretation algorithm with the help of processing type, that is dummy entries and all. We can able to do it. Okay, so the first and foremost important thing is that what is the external transaction time? Okay, so based on which posting rule you are maintaining the MT940 format. Okay, that is very, very important right now we have. Now I will show you one thing. Yeah, so we do have opening balance. In that particular opening balances and all, you no need to give any interpretation algorithms and all. You no need to maintain any external transaction type. We just maintain the transaction type. Okay, that is colon 60 colon 60 F colon like this. Now what we need to do is, so we will try to write more importance of external transaction types. Okay, so go to the Word document, and here we have NMSC, that is for the outgoing payment. Go to the Word document. Go to the Word document. NMSC, just write down. First point is NMSC. NMSC. So this is for the outgoing payment. NMSC, outgoing payment. Then next NMCT. NMCT. This is for the incoming payment. Incoming payment. Then next one. What is the, go to the SAP system, NINT, sorry, NINT, NINT, yeah, NINT. NINT is for the interest income. NINT, interest income. The next fourth one, NINE. NINE. This is interest expenses. Interest expenses. Why we need to use this interest income and interest expenses? Whenever you are transferring the amount from main bank account to the vendor, okay, they will going to charge somewhat expenses for maintaining the things. Okay, so they will going to give you the interest expenses. Okay, interest expenses is nothing but the, whenever you are transferring the amount from main bank account to the vendor, okay, so somewhat big amounts they will going to have it, right? So to transfer that amounts, they will going to charge expenses. Okay, that is interest expenses, or else you can go with the bank charges. Bank charges is different, and this expenses is different, all of you. Why? Because here bank charges means what? If you do the NTRF, if you do the RTGS, if you do the IMPS, anything, okay, that is net banking and all, they will have somewhat charges for limited of that amount. Okay, that limit of that amount, how it will be, like 5 lakh, they will going to charge 500 rupees. 10 lakh, they will going to charge 1000 rupees. 15 lakh, they will going to charge 1500 rupees. Like this, they will going to have it. Okay, so that is bank charges. When it comes to the interest expenses, if you are transferring different large amount, okay, if you are transferring the large amount like 50 lakh, 1 crore rupee, so they will going to have the interest expenses like 100 rupees, 200 rupees, like this. Okay, so based on the client requirement and all, we can able to do it. So that's why I have told you to create the NINE, that is interest expenses. Then next NCHG, that is for the bank charges. NCHG, that is for the bank charges. What are all the things that we have? NCOT, that is for the collections, right? NCOT, that is for the collections. Okay, so 6 transaction types that we have created. Now you got the point, right, all of you? NCHG 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. NTRF is for the transfers. I mean, any external transfers that you have for that particular vendor and all. Okay, so we can able to use it. NTRF. This is for the transfers. So why we need to use this transfers and all? Okay, transfers. TRASFERS. Okay. So any external transactions amounts that you have. Okay, if you don't want to include in the bank state, sorry, if you don't want to include in the particular bank charges and interest expenses, anything, then you can able to use the transfers. That is very, very important, all of you. Now, J point is J point. J, give backspace, give backspace, backspace. No. Come down. J point. Give backspace. Give backspace, ma'am. So try to write in a one format. Give backspace. Sorry, give J. Give J. Just give tab. Automatically. Okay. Yeah. Prepare the MT940 format. Prepare the MT940 format. Prepare the MT940 format based on the external transaction types. Based on the external transaction types. External transaction types. External transaction types. Okay. Okay. Good. So go to the document, ma'am. Go to the MT940 format that we have prepared earlier. Go to the MT940 format. So, okay, you have written down all these things. Huh? Okay, you do one thing. So you have written down each and everything, right? So yeah, copy this one, ma'am. Copy this one. So paste it in the Word document. Okay, good. Go up. So see all of you. So this is the or else copy this one, ma'am, from first point to last one and decrease the size. Decrease the size to 10 or 12. No. 12. 12 is fine. Or 11. 11 is fine. No, okay. Go up. Go up. See all of you. This is F01 access 0000 111. This is for the identification. Then this is our company code. Then this is our reference number. I mean, reference identification numbers and all with the help of bank keys or anything. Okay. Now, what we need to do is here :20 : okay, this is completely uh, uh, indicates the date format. Okay, :25 : indicates the bank account number. :28C. So here, whatever the statements that you are running, so you can able to run with these things. Okay, then next :60F:. Okay, it is basically for the opening balances. Right now, you are having for the particular date, that is 14.04.2024. Okay, then next one is bank charges. If you are having any bank charges and all you can able to have it. Okay. Then next one :86 : so that is for the bank charges identification. Okay, that we can call it as a description. Okay, so that is fine. Then next one :61 : so it is for the interest. Okay, interest expenses or anything. That is very, very important. And at the same time, all of you, from starting point of the opening balances, here you don't have any external transaction type. For this particular bank charges, you have NCHG. NCHG means what, all of you? That is for the external transaction type. Okay, already we have written it in that particular thing. Then next one. Yeah, interest expenses is there. In that interest expenses, you have the this thing. What is that thing? External transaction type, that is NINE. Okay, so then next one :86 : so that is miscellaneous outgoing transaction expenses. Okay, so miscellaneous outgoing transaction expenses means whatever the miscellaneous outgoing transaction expenses. Okay, so for that particular thing, I have already told you, right? If that particular amount is greater than the uh, existed amounts or mentioned amounts by the particular bank. Okay, you can have this miscellaneous outgoing transaction expenses. Then next one, this is for the vendor. Okay, in that particular vendor, so you have the external transaction type, that is NMSC. Okay, so NMSC is very, very important, and at the same time, vendor payment description also you can able to have it. Then receiving payments. Receiving payments is NINT, that is incoming payments, right? What is this thing? Sorry, incomes. Okay, interest income is there. That's fine. Then next, :86 : is for the incoming payments. Okay, sorry, :86 : is for the interest income. Drag it to the downside. Then next :61 : is for the come down now. Yeah. So this is for the NMCT. NMCT is nothing but the receiving of the payments. Okay. So receiving of the payments is very, very important. Then we will write down the process. So J process is done, right? K process. Just give K, ma'am. Give the tab. Give the tab. K dot tab. Give the 14. Yes. Then next one here for the K. What is the point here is write down the point. Post vendor invoice. Post vendor invoice. Post vendor invoice. Transaction code FB60. Transaction code FB60. Then next step. L point is outgoing payment, process outgoing payment. You can just write down process outgoing payment. Process outgoing payment. Transaction code F110/F-58. Then next one, IJKLM. M point is bank statement reconciliation. Bank statement reconciliation. That is FF_5. 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 Okay. Then see all of you for the vendor invoice or for that particular vendor invoice. Okay, what we need to do is here, ma'am, FB60 or it is for the Miro also. Okay, it is for the Miro also or Miro. Okay, so this is very important, all of you. Post vendor invoice transaction code is FB60 or Miro. Process outgoing payments. Whenever you are having all these things here, just observe in the Miro or vendor invoices like FB60s and all, we have that particular entry. What is that entry? Purchase account data to the vendor account creditor. Okay, then when it comes to the outgoing payment, that is F110, you have the entry that is vendor account data to the outgoing bank account creditor. You got my point? Vendor account data to the outgoing bank account creditor. Then next, whenever you run the statement like a bank statement FF_5, you will going to have the entry outgoing bank account data to the main bank account creditor. Okay, so this is the exact real-time process that we have in any clients. Now, put the point in, ma'am. That is post customer invoice transaction code FB70. Post customer invoice. Post yeah, or else copy this post vendor invoice, paste it here. Just change the things. Post customer invoice. The transaction code is. No need to write complete thing. Just give T code. That's fine. Transaction code is. So here, all of you, when it comes to the integrations will be involved, right? So customer invoice is FB70. FB70 slash. What is the next transaction code? We have VF03. VF03. This is the customer invoice. You know it very well, right? So we have done it in the FIDST integrations and all. Okay, then next one. Incoming payment. You receive the incoming payment and that should be received. I mean, that should be posted in the particular SAP system. Okay, incoming payment. Transaction code is F110. F110. Transaction code is F110, comma F-28, comma F-28, or else slash F-28. Then next one, bank statement. The next one is bank statement. bank statement, reconciliation, reconciliation, LIATION. Okay, FF underscore 5, same thing. Transaction code is FF underscore 5. Now you know it very well, all of you. What is the customer invoice? Okay, when you post a customer invoice using transaction code FB70 or with the sales order VF03, automatically you have the entry customer account data to the sales or revenue account creditor. Okay, then incoming payment F110 or F-28, incoming bank account data to the customer account creditor. Okay, then bank statement reconciliation, that is FF underscore 5. That is main bank account data to the incoming bank account creditor. You got my point? Or else if you want to have the reference, or else go to the Skype now, you can able to do it. Go to the Skype. Go to the chat box. In that particular chat box, go up. Go up. I think so. I have already given you the, yeah, these all are the entries, all of you. Okay, so you just see the details. Bank charges is there, interest deductions is there, interest accumulations is there. Okay, now what we need to do is we have to check with these things. Okay, we will try to run one bank statement. Okay, take out the bank statement, MT940 format. Take out the bank statement. MT940 format. Open the MT940 format, EBS2. Okay, so this is the main format that we have, all of you. Okay, now what we need to do is first we will check with FBL3N, whatever the main bank account balance that we have. Okay, we need to check it. So go to the main bank account balance. Go to the main bank account balance, FBL3N, FBL3N. FBL, sorry. I will cut this video.